I'm Gogi, Mr. Gogi. Subscribe the channel for get more short vlogs like this. Today great weather was at my area. Today's weather was great, and as you can check out, that's cloudy weather. But when I checked out into my garden, I found a great sparrow, and I want to capture that sparrow into my camera, but when I bring my camera, I found that sparrow is not over there. But after a few seconds, she was there, and after that, I tried to catch that sparrow, as you can check out in front of you. Subscribe the channel, hit bell icon for get more short vlogs like this. I'm Gogi, Mr. Gogi.